The 2022 KTM RC200 is ready to line up at the starting grid with an all-new eye-catching race bike-inspired style and unmatched class-leading performance. Boasting an all-new chassis complete with bolt-on subframe, lightweight wheels and brakes, and everyday riding comfort, the KTM RC200 combines track day ergonomics and everyday usability into a refined urban race machine. With a collection of essential premium parts, such as a WP Apex big piston fork in the front and a new WP Apex shock absorber in the rear, LCD dash display, Supermoto ABS, and a new larger 13.7-liter fuel tank provides best-in-class fuel capacity, meaning you can go further, faster, for longer. Not to mention a new, larger airbox, which allows the KTM RC200 to breathe easier, providing improved responsiveness and increased torque, giving it an impressive off-the-line launch, putting the KTM RC200 well and truly ahead of the pack.